How to fix your Snapchat when you can't open snaps on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Snapchat when you can't open snaps on Android phone. First open settings and then click here apps, and now click apps again, and now click Snapchat. And first thing you need to do here is to click this one here, force stop. Click force stop and then go to storage and click clear cache. Now clear your Snapchat cache, and after that just click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and then click data usage and allow all of those here: mobile data, Wi-Fi and background data. And that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.